Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll complete our questions for geometric about cumulative test about circle, okay? Page 73, like cumulative test 4, till lesson 4, unit 4, okay? Question number 1, choose the correct answer from those given. The number of circles that pass through 3 corner points equals 0. Corner, its meaning in the same straight line. We have in the circle passing through 3 points in the same time, okay? A chord is of length 8 cm in a circle of its diameter 10 cm. Then the chord is space 8 from the center of the circle. We have here a chord of circle 8 cm. We have a chord here, length of it equal 8 cm, okay? The length about this chord 8 cm. And we have the diameter 10 cm, so the radius will be 5. And then he asked about the distance from the center of the circle. The chord is at space. We can write this distance perpendicular about space. This diameter was 5. So this diameter was 10, this radius will be 5. So we have right angle triangle here, it will be 5. And the half of chord will be 4. Because the chord length is 8 cm, so the chord half of it equal 4 because it's bisect. This line, symmetry of a circle, bisect the chord because this line symmetry passing through the center of the circle, divided in two parts equal in the length 4 cm or 5 cm. We can find the third length here about Pythagoras, it would be 3 cm. So the distance between the center of the circle and the chord will be 3 cm. Write 3 here. This is the distance, okay? Choose letter C. Question number 3. If AB is a line segment, then the number of circles can be drawn passing through A and B equal. We have line segment A and B. Line segment is a circle we have a lot of, an infinity, okay? An infinity number of circles passing through 2 points. We have an infinity circles. If we have 2 points or 2 points, we have infinity circle passing through this point, or we have 2 points, we have infinity, okay? But if we have 3 points, no collinear, meaning triangle, it will be 1 circle passing through it. But question number 1, we have here 3 point collinear points. Collinear points, it's meaning line symmetry in the same straight line here. So we have 0. We haven't any circle passing through 3 points in the same time. Question number 4 is the object figure. If EB cut the surface of circle M, the surface of the circle, what's the meaning of circle? And then what's the meaning of surface of the circle? We have the difference between circle and the surface of circle. Surface of the circle, it's meaning all points inside the circle and all the points in the circle outside in this curve. It's the surface of the circle. A lot of point lies inside the circle and the curve of the circle. But the circle, it's meaning the curve of the circle or point lies in the curve only. So the difference between surface and circle, you must know the difference between them, because if you reading circle, the result will be difference, because the secant here, if cut the circle into point A and B, the intersect about them, it will be point B and A only, but the surface circle, it will be AB. Okay, so in this example we have here line segment here, or line symmetry cut at D and C, so the result will be CD or DC. You must choose letter P. But in this example I draw it about B and A, it will be A and B, okay? So in this example the result will be CD. Look at this example here. This secant of the circle, secant cut it as surface of circle at the line segment DC, but cut the circle at the point D and C only. Question number 5. If AB is a line segment of length 4 cm, then the radius length of the smallest circle which passes through the 2 points A and B equal space. We have AB line segment here. AB is a line segment 4 cm. Okay. Then the radius of smallest circle passing through H2 and point B such that A and B in the center here it will be half of 4. It will be 2 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter here. It is possible to draw a circle passing through the vertex of what triangle? Impossible. He asked about impossible. Okay, impossible about what? About rhombus, because we have one circle passing through triangle and square and rectangle, but rhombus we can't draw circle passing through about rhombus and parallelogram. Okay, and trapezium only, but the isosceles trapezium we have one triangle passing through. Question number 7. If AB equals 7 cm, then their circumference smallest circle passing through the 2 points E and B equal. We have the diameter equal 7 cm, and then the radius will be half of 7 equal 3.5 cm. It's the radius about circle. So he asked about circumference, its meaning by multiply by D. D here, the diameter will be 7, so the result will be 7 multiplied by diameter, 22 over 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 1 times 22 equal 22. Question number 8. If the surface of the circle M intersect the surface of circle N in A, then the radius length of one of them equal 3 cm. Look at here. Surface of the circle and surface of the circle here. And we have the radius length here 3 cm is the radius 1. 3 cm, and we have the length about M and N equal 8 cm. Then the radius of the other circle will be 5 cm. Go 3 plus 5 equal 8. We must write here 5 cm. Next question here, we have a circle. We asked about measure of angle A. We want to find the measure of angle A here. He give us measure of angle M equal 130. And E is the median about XY. And AB is the tangent of the circle. We know AB will be perpendicular to MP, such that MP is the radius in a circle M, and AB tangent is a tangent of a circle M. Then AB will be perpendicular to MP. AB perpendicular to MP, and such that E lies in the median or the midpoint, or you can say E is the midpoint of YX. Okay, then we can write here ME perpendicular to YX. Okay, it's perpendicular to about X, so measure of angle E will be 90 degree only, and we have measure of angle AM equal 130. Then measure of angle A will be 360 subtract by sum of them, 130 plus 90 plus 90, because we have quadral here, quadral. Okay, got 4 sides, sum of them equal of interior angle equal 180 about opposite E plus B equal 180, and here 130 subtract about the total 360, or 108 subtract by 130, the result will be 50 degree. Okay, next question, you can solve this alone by drawing a triangle. You can draw a triangle by your instrument is geometric. Draw triangle ABC. It will be right angle triangle. A BC equal 4 and AC equal 5. So the right angle triangle at B here, A, B, C, and you can find center of the circle here, about circle passing through the point about all them, and then drawing by your instrument this. How many circles are there? 1. You can draw by using instruments. Okay, my students, goodbye.